Hello, I'm in a 2008 Chevy Impala, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant to your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this reservoir. This would be your coolant, and then on the sides here you see markings for your max, and then your minimum would be quite a bit below that. And you don't want it completely full because there's supposed to be some air gap in this system. And anytime you're working with coolant, you want the vehicle to be turned off and cooled down, just since the system can work on a pressurized system, and the coolant can get to a boil, so you don't want to risk it and poisonous boiling liquid shooting onto you. With that said, double check as well your owner's manual or good online source that you have the best type of coolant to match your particular make and model. And ideally it should match the same color that's been in here. But all that said, to fill, you just pop this open, and then with the funnel or straight from your coolant diluted jug, fill as needed till you're around the full mark. Pop this closed again. And then at this point I would start the vehicle and run it so that coolant can circulate through the system. And I would check around all the engine bay through all the lines, through the reservoir, under the radiator, look for any possible cracks or leaks. And then from that, if you do find some puddling somewhere, to tell that from water vapor is you can check to see if it's got a coloration to it, because the coolant would have a slight coloration. Coolant has a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on. If you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.